Students, now in this session we will discuss the problem related to increasing and decreasing function, and the type 1 problem is that show that the function f given by is increasing function or decreasing function. So what you have to find out, the function is given as increasing function. Increasing function. Clear? So we have to show the function is increasing function. Clear? तो टाइप 1 क्वेश्चन क्या है कि आपको कोई फंक्शन गिवन होगा और आपको ये प्रूफ करना है कि द गिवन फंक्शन इज अ इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. सो स्टेप 1, you have to write the given function. First of all, fx is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x. Clear? Step 2, differentiate fx both side with respect to x. So f dash x is equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 4. Okay, the problem is in that the problem in this question is that the x is belongs to real number, means the interval is माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू प्लस इन्फिनिटी. ठीक है, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम लोग अगर इसमें वैल्यू पुटअप करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे सो देयर इज लॉट्स ऑफ चॉइस वी हैव टू पुट ऑन द वैल्यूज. So it is unable to understand the given function is increasing or decreasing function. So we have to do some small changes. Clear? And the change is that we can write 3 plus 1, and in the first we can take common 3, so we get x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 1, or we know that this is the square of x minus 1 whole square plus 1. Clear? So x minus 1 whole square. Now for every value of x we will get always a positive number because x minus 1 is whole square. So we get for every value of x positive. So therefore f dash x is equal to this. So f dash x is always positive for x belongs to real number. Clear? So if f dash x is positive, it means f dash x is positive, it means it is increasing function. कैसा फंक्शन रहेगा? इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. क्लियर? लेट्स मूव फॉर द टाइप 2 क्वेश्चंस. So this is type 2 question. Find out the interval in which the given function is increasing or decreasing. Clear? So we have to find the interval in this case. The type 2 question is that. So किस interval पे given function increasing है और decreasing है? Clear? Okay, for that we will take an example to clear our concept about that. Okay students, so what is the question we have? Fx is equal to 2x square minus 3x. So we have to find the interval for that. Clear? So again we will take step 1, write down fx is equal to, that is we have given already 2x square minus 3x. Clear? In step 2, differentiating both side, differentiate both side with respect to x. So if we differentiate both sides, we get f dash x is equal to 4x minus 3. Step 3rd, f dash x is equal to, we are putting 0. So 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Further 4x is equal to 3 and x is equal to what? 3 upon 4. Clear? तो स्टेप 2 में हमको क्या मिल गया? 3 upon 4. स्टेप 4, in step 4 we have draw number line. Clear? So let us draw a number line 0 and positive and after the negative. So we have 3 upon 4. So this 3 upon 4 lies between 1 and 3 upon 4, something like that. Clear? So 3 upon 4 से लेफ्ट साइड में अगर हम चलते हैं, लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ 3 upon 4, so our interval is minus infinity to 3 upon 4. Clear? And 3 upon 4 to positive infinity. Clear? Okay. Interval तो हम लोगों को मिल गया, लेकिन in which interval the given function is increasing or decreasing, we have to find out this. For that, take any value less than this 3 minus 3 upon 4. So we can take less than value 0. So put this value in the given equation for f dash x. So f dash x, if you put x is equal to 0, so what do you get? Let 0 is belongs to minus infinity to 3 upon 4. So it implies that f dash x is equal to 4 into 0 minus 3. So f dash x is less than 0. So if f dash x is less than 0, what it means? It means to say that fx is increasing. Clear? Okay, now for again put any value greater than this, suppose that 1 again. So x is belongs to 3 upon 4 to infinity. Clear? This implies that f dash x is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So what? Finally f dash x is greater than 0. So fx, sorry, less than 0, so it is decreasing function, and it is fx function is increasing. Clear? So minus infinity to 3 upon 4 function is decreasing, and 3 upon 4 to positive plus infinity it is increasing. Clear? minus इन्फिनिटी से 3 upon 4 तक फंक्शन कैसा रहेगा? डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन, और 3 upon 4 to infinity it is increasing function. Clear? I hope it is clear to you.